Yay! Listen, Linda, we made it. We got through this. Friendship goes a long way. I would like to quickly thank Temu for sponsoring today's video. I've never purchased anything from them before, so this is a first for the both of us. I don't have a lot of expectations, but we'll see. Temu has a site-wide sale up to 90% savings. 90%. There's free shipping and free return for up to 90 days. And this is interesting, I just learned this too. They have a price protection policy. If you order something and the price drops within 30 days, you can request a partial refund. If you use this code in the app or just click the link in the description box, all Temu users will get $100 coupon bundle so you can save more. Without further ado, let's check out this haul. Listen, Linda, the first piece I'm wearing, look at this camel toe. So it comes with the top and bottom. It is a little see-through, so I have to like double patch this area a little bit by covering myself so there's no unexpected peekaboos. I was super excited because this blue just screams minimalistic, rich girl vibes, but quiet luxury. Listen, Linda, we've all had an emo phase, a Tumblr phase, and then the older we get into this like quiet, cozy luxury. But the truth is our chaotic personality and our psychopathic way of thinking does not cut out for that lifestyle. But we still aspire to have like that set. And a girl with a loungy, comfy set like this tend to have their life together, or so it seems. You know, we're all struggling out here, let's be honest. This is where our Venn diagrams over. Can never go wrong with something cute, cozy, and sky blue. Hello. Sooner or later, thanks to TikTok, we all want this aesthetic. I'm wearing black underwear underneath, and you could totally see the black through here. So I guess we could wear it like this. I mean, absolutely, nothing's wrong with this, right? Overall, I'm gonna give this a pass because it's not flattering on my body, and I'm a little shy. I'm just gonna hide myself. I'm gonna give this a pass. Okay, but listen, Linda, look at these sweatpants. Girl, who would have known? I'm a little shook. I know I'm like prone to camel toes, and like, yes, I have one. I've been so jaded that like, I like this. This is acceptable. It feels like it's holding my gummy pouch. I carry all my weight right here, and oddly, it fits like a glove, and I'm not hating. I mean, how are you not intrigued with a V-cut like this? When all I am is round in this area, oh girl, I do not mind a little snap, snip, clank, clank, clank. Obviously, I'm gonna be transparent. They're not cotton, they're not that soft. But if you're talking everyday sweatpants and you don't mind the quality because obviously you mind more your money and you're trying to save, this is not a bad choice. It's accessible. And more than normal, I would prefer this to actually be a little bit more loose, but like, it's fine. And it's not too long. Since when are sweatpants like not long on me? You guys would know. I mean, okay, wait. Hold on. Okay, first, admire how soft this looks. Like a little high. Ooh. This is the little zip-up hoodie that's not so little. Oh my god, I just feel like that girl right now. It just doesn't try hard. How basic could I be? But like in the best way possible. This is a cute oversized zip-up hoodie that's supposed to be cropped. It's not too short, not too long. Look how thick and wide the sleeves are. The hoodie! I feel little. I feel baby. I feel hold me in your arms because I'm fragile. Welcome to my story because I'm giving main character vibes in this. This is like my favorite piece ever. It's so cozy feeling. It's big and baggy. It makes my body feel little. You know when you just find the right hoodie and you just feel sexy in it? How does a hoodie give a girl this much confidence? And the color is this like beautiful ash gray cream color. Yeah, it kind of has like this cream tinge to it, but it's like definitely gray. Look how cute it is. Oh my god. Look at the way it sits on your body. It reminds me of those days when you try to get ready for a date and you're like, okay, he's coming over, but like, I don't want to look like I tried too hard, but I want to be cute still. This is literally what I would wear. Look, stop it. What do you mean I look so good? I just threw a hoodie on. It's just a zip-up hoodie. I didn't even try. This is just me, my natural habitat. Not me living out my own fantasy. What do Gen Zs call this style? Vanilla? Preppy? Which absolutely 1000% key. Honestly, when I saw this skirt, the slit is kind of chuggy to me. Just a tiny bit. So again, I know where my expectations are. Oh, fits nice. I didn't expect that. Ooh. Okay. I'm pretty sure I got this in a large. Holy smokes. Hold on. Did I call this chuggy? Wait a second. They're onto something. Hang back. Look how it takes my round belly and reshapes it up into curves. No focus or attention or highlighting of the pouch. We're focused out here, girl. For once, thank you. It is less flexible on top, so you just button it and that's what you get. There's no stretching, there's no elasticity. That's all you get, your hips, your curves. In. Literally, the skirt just drops on the side, like pinned straight on the side, so it's not sitting on my actual hip dip. Hence why I'm not like announcing my belly. We're just like focused on the thigh. What? No more highlighting our invertedness. Is that a word? No. An upside down parabola. Girl, this skirt really came in and said, vertex at its maximum value. Drop that shit. Okay, I know I'm like overhyping it. It's not even like that curvy, but I feel curvy. Look how my thigh just ate the crumbs and the plate. And it's not too long where it's like dragging me on the ground too. Imagine wearing this with little casual white sneaks. That's an outfit. I just love that I don't have to focus about sucking it. That's a great change for once. Or having to think about like the lines. Literally fine. And there's like structure to my body. Keep! I also forgot to mention that I have a sty, so if I look a little wonky, it was not just your thinking. Thank you for your time. Let me situate myself. Wow, I'm purely shocked right now. Not only do I feel sexy in this top, but I feel like mature. I'm feeling like I've been through some stuff in life. I'm wise about it. Yeah, right, who am I kidding? Wow! First of all, if you're short and stout like me, this top is perfect for you. It's like you're not trying too hard to make a statement, but you are a statement. Effortlessly. It holds the chesty bestie perfectly. You see where the ribbing starts right here, down here? It sits comfortably right underneath the chesty bestie. And let me tell you, nothing looks more flattering than that. Gives the tatas a little shape, shows them off with some modesty. A little peekaboo here to break up the broader chest. Yes, that is me all the way. Broad and wide. I serve my dude. And can we talk about this salmon? Salmon. In my opinion, this color is way more flattering than nude on my body. Something about a light neutral salmon. Something about it has a more divine feminine energy. Just that radiation you get from this color. It's just soft to the eye. Very, very hold the door for me. Without the please and thank you. Thanks. This shows your womanly body, but then also covers you up enough that it keeps them wondering. You're not giving away too much of your goodies except a little shoulder pick. Curiosity, I hope. This could easily be one of my favorite tops that I'm gonna always go for. And I'm not even dramatic sizing this. I just know my boyfriend's gonna love this top. Keep. Temu picked out this bag for me. Brown, red, brick color bag. It's almost like a saddle wrap bag. And its color is so attractive. There's a front pocket with gold accents and it fits my laptop. Is this not the cutest cafe bag? There's even more room. Okay. The perfect length for my short girlies. See, one of the reasons why I hate personally carrying bags is because I can never find a bag that just makes my proportions look right. But look at this size. And it's not falling off my shoulders. What can I ask in a bag? Hello? Okay, so this next one is similar in style, but it's a little bit more loose. If you're a girly who doesn't care for fitting clothes, how do we feel? Okay, this one, oops, give me a second. I feel washed out. It has this big dramatic one shoulder cut flawlessly as an off the shoulder top. I feel like I should have sized down. But in reality, it's not too baggy on my body. Okay, I have a pickle to pick. I feel like the left sleeve is a little bit too loose, that it's bleeding into the chesty bestie area. We're looking like Miss Doubtfire, a little saggy, a little baggy. Like here, there's just no lift. We're looking like a whole blob in front. This could be trouble where we look like we have two stomachs, you know? I appreciate the ribbing and how it's supposed to kind of like snatch you back down on the bottom. I don't know if it's doing me full justice. I feel like my expectations were too high to begin with anyway. So in my opinion, this is nothing too flattering. But it's enough to slip on, lounge around, run errands. Still with a little pop of color in your life so you're not boring Betsy out here. And I do think you'll like this if comfort is above all and you don't really care too much about it like fitting on your body. I don't mind this nice little touch. With chesty besties like this, it's just a little too sexy. Keep. Listen, Linda. They're on to something. Excuse me, I don't have pants on. When I first opened this package, this long sleeve does not portray what's depicted. But I put it on, and may I say, I'm sorry for being judgmental, Judy, but I feel wrong for liking this. There's something flattering about this color. It's not as emerald, and the quality is not as luxe as it looks. But having this on, I'm kind of digging it, and again, like, I shouldn't like this as much as I do. So on my right shoulder and my left curve, there's some scrunching. Creates this fake drape. But something about that is literally helping my stomach recover. Okay, miss, your stomach looks good in this. I'd wear it like tucked in. Also for a second I thought this might be a little bit too like out of my box. Old if I must. I am old. I think what I mean is just like a little old school. Did you know that the color for 2024 is actually emerald green? So do yourself a favor. The mock neck also doesn't come too high where it's pushing your double chin again. My sisters with a little bit more love. We all know how turtlenecks be plowing up our double chin. This one still gives you neck, so you're not like no neck ed. One thing I will say that I don't love, obviously you can see the stitching on the sleeves. This is probably the least flattering part. But again, from afar, you're not gonna see that. Are ya? Are ya? I'm gonna shock myself. Keep. This cute little charm bracelet. Temu also sent. I forget how much I like wearing bracelets with little charms. Am I gonna travel back in time to the charm bracelet era? It's kind of cute. Okay, these are the next pants. I'm not too sure, girl. I'm not too sure about this one. So these are supposed to be like your casual, flowy. You can wear this out, you can wear this in. Just by looking at it, it looks a little too wide and a little too long. Just as I suspected. These pants are just too long. It drags me in my soul to the ground. There's only two places that this would be fully accepted. Summer on Jeju Island. option, or a day in my life Sunday reset edition vlog. I could be wearing these pants. Those are the only two places I should see you wearing these pants. I mean, I appreciate the cargo space in the legs. They're not being touched. Who likes being touched? Just feel like they're too wide and long on me that in public it's just not gonna be well received. It feels like a dress on me. I feel like this will be perfect if you are 5'3" and up. If you are shooting in the 5 zone range, barely hack your bags. I'm sad though because this waistband is every apple body tummy girl's dream. Cute little lettuce lacing, just not sure girl friendly. Pass. Listen, Linda, these are 1XL jeans. I keep saying this, but I'm cursed. When it comes to jeans, I can never find my size. I just don't know. My thought process with the experience I have with Asian clothing, I was like, oh yeah, 1XL. I got tricked. I mean, listen, I'm bummed, but I'm actually a little excited about this. They actually hold up bigger sizes for plus size girlies. So them claiming a curvy section, it is 1XL. They're not lying about that. You can't be mad that they're actually giving bigger girls an accessible option. This could be a super cute, wide-legged, straight leg, baggy jean moment. And I'm all for that. We need options, and we have options. You're not wrong when they say you want to look skinny, just 1 up or 2 up your jean size. Because like the waist is baggy, and it's kind of like lemming my body down more than I realize. Because it's not my size, I'm gonna pass. Okay, this is the last item to this haul. Look how big and thick this waistband is. So this almost feels like yoga pants mixed leggings. I also feel like I should be on a magic carpet ride right now. They are stretchy, which is nice. Loosey-goosey with a huge waistband. That's what intrigued me. Once again, I have such a thickety chickadee that it just gives like a camel, and I just can't seem to relieve that at all, even if I pull this down. I'm sad. This could have been super comfy. With how wide the waistband is, it kind of looks like maternity. It holds your stomach in. It holds the side goop in. Nice room and flare for the thighs, especially if you have like chunkier thighs. And no, they don't have any kind of like cottony softness to it, so don't ask me. I don't know. I can see how it can play in your favorite if you get hot easily. I should have sized up. She has her own personality. I can't control her. And it sucks because the length isn't bad. We could have made something of ourselves, babe. If you don't have a thickety chickadee problem, this could be comfy for you. It's just a little tight for me down there, right in my inner thighs. So, pass. Wait, I like, for the last item, we have this brown saddle knit bag. I have been wanting a knit saddle bag for so long. Freaking cute. Get this. It's functional. Because it's thick and structured, I feel like it can hold weighted items. They look like little braids. With this lining, it looks sturdy to hold heavy things. Ignore the pants, ignore the pants. Oh yes, cute. Wait, there's this necklace. It's been catching my eye here and there off camera. Look how cute that chain is. It's not even silver, it's like white. So darling. Darling! That's the perfect word to describe this necklace. Super easy. Undemanding. So precious. I love it, darling. This wraps up my first Temu haul ever. Let me know if you guys want to see more. Again, make sure to click the link down below to get a coupon bundle of $100. I love you guys.